Hey, how's it going? It is great to have you back here on the channel where you can trade cryptocurrencies. Hello, I hope this message finds you well. Now that you've had a good day, I hope you're ready to go right into Tuesday. Exactly what I'm prepared for. Additionally, the weekend look will be the next edition. It was a major letdown at the football game yesterday. In my heart, I wanted Washington and Buffalo to come out on top. So, John, there was a massive defeat for Washington. The game was really awful. Apologies, but I'm referring to the Redskins or the Commanders at achieving this stage. The peculiar error made by Jaden Daniels. With the Bears having the option to select Jaden over Caleb, it is evident that the Commanders made the correct quarterback selection and had a fantastic draft. But what are your plans to address that? When traveling to Kansas City, though, the Bills never managed to win. When the game is down to the wire, Kansas City should assist with a spectacular blitz on fourth down. However, the ball was advanced down the field to a wide depression by Josh Allen, and whatever he did, he failed to notice it. Plus, it deeply saddened me. Instead of the Chiefs, we are instructed to see the Eagles in the repeat. Truthfully, I'm not that enthusiastic about it. The big game is here, the Super Bowl. Before I play the game, there will be a lot of food. Come on, let's do this. Our plan is to do that. In this video, we will now discuss the recent decline in Bitcoin prices, because what I indicated is about to happen. We will examine the funds that have already been invested in stables and utilized to enhance these markets once more. Here we go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Get in on the Bitcoin action with a $99,340 investment. As of this writing, it has fallen 5.21%. Ethereum is currently trading at 3.67 USD. Its value has dropped by 7.18%. The current price of XRP is $2.79. Its decline has been 10.48%. I can't fix this. I mean, that's the level of simplicity. Everything is so silky. Everything is so silky. We are aware that better days are on the way. Therefore, even if things are tough today, it is all good. In response to a 10% decrease in pre-major trading, NVIDIA's shares first went underground. That amounts to almost $370 billion when measured in terms of market value. This action puts the market value on course for the largest one-day decline ever recorded. Since then, that has changed, and I own multiple NVIDIA cards. That is incorrect in every respect, yet your knowledge is limited. We are cognizant of the situation at hand. For things to rise, they must first fall. When it comes to stocks, the same is true. Coins and stocks both have an equal amount. Okay, I'm starting to feel better, but why is the AI community going absolutely bonkers? And what exactly is this deep are searching for? The article about it on Yahoo Finance was quite good, though. A Chinese artificial intelligence startup called Deep Search has only been operational for just over a year. It drew our attention and sent shivers down the spines of many in Silicon Valley with its demonstration of a significant advancement in AI models that can, for a small fraction of the cost, compete with the world's top chat rooms. According to the report, DeepSeek's emergencies could provide an alternative to the commonly believed belief that AI will require a growing quantity of power and electricity to advance in the years to come. In what ways does it differ from Meta AI and OpenAI? A more efficient variant is described here. Cost less, so the story goes. So a ton. Are we seeing anything? Individuals are taking a stand. When you accomplish a successful task, there will be others who oppose you. You must be doing something wrong because no one is actively working against you. Healthy competition is beneficial. That's a fantastic section. Will NVIDIA stock return to 100% the moment you swat a cat? I apologize for it. Concerning the market, that is all. It's happening right now. Peter Schiff chimes in as well. In his field, he excels. Also, according to him, China may have released a deep search first in the AI race, but they still haven't figured out how to contact us about creating comic coinage. We have been granted access to that beneficial market. Ours is the primary. Wonderful. Raise a hand gesture. It is appropriate to recognize Peter Schiff. He may have just sent one of his finest tweets ever. He was correct. His next question followed. How much is the meme coin? The change, and Peter responded to Bitcoin. Oh, please, parents, that is amusing. It's rather amusing. CryptoMinute.com is the source for this. The value of Bitcoin drops, but it's still very near to 1000. So can we make out the pullback or the release pad? You are familiar with the anticipated procedure. The slingshot's effect is this. Once more, you draw the slingshot. Those are the dips. As you slide it backwards, it flies higher. At this very moment, we are witnessing just that. Bitcoin started its downward correction around $107,000, as previously mentioned. Even at its height, just $1,000 showed up. For a simple task, the price might range from $100 per hour to $103,500 per hour. The price fell below the $104,800 level, which was the joining point and the bullish trend line. According to reports, the two explored a $100,700 area. Since we plainly didn't retain it, our decline was even more pronounced. According to it, we will return to that strong zone if the closing price is over 105. Now, what do you think we should do? Having defined Bitcoin, the next question is where? Almost $99,573. In other words, it indicates that the next 8 is approaching $88,500. There was a loss of $86,500. To be honest, I'm confused. This whole $90,000 site is completely enlightened by our guide. We covered that in the first film of the day. You are aware of the outcome, which is why I am not concerned. For a week, you're not here. It will appear as though nothing transpired upon your return. Put chips with dips, you can buy dips. Accordingly, whenever you're dealing with dips, you should always purchase chips individually. Simple as pie. When it's red, you buy it. When it's green, you sell it. Red is our color. The moment to buy is right now if you're a consumer in that area. This is not the moment for dealers to make sales. After you get rid of the longs, you can send the larger charges, which will be returned. This story has been brought to your attention. This was addressed in the first video of the day.